I'm very happy to announce a new partnership that we are doing with Impossible Objects. Impossible Objects has found a very good way to use our polyamide 6 materials in combination with carbon fibers, and we are looking forward to roll out some very interesting news.
We've seen a lot of market pull, especially from automotive and industrial accounts for PA6, and we're really encouraged with the work that Impossible Objects has done with our PA6 material to be able to bring that new additive manufacturing solution to their applications. And now we can bring a process that includes reinforced materials like carbon fiber and Kevlar. It's what opens up new application possibilities for these markets.
And we're quite honored by our collaboration with BASF to be able to produce these higher quality materials, in particular with our customers in the automotive industry such as Ford, the Air Force, and with contract manufacturers such as Jabil. We see an enormous market for this material because PA6 is a workhorse polymer that is used in an enormous number of industrial applications.
So we're very encouraged by the work that Impossible Objects has done with our material. It goes hand in hand with our philosophy of working with open platform systems. It's a great benefit for both of us and for the end user.
BASF. We create chemistry.